My people, as e dey hot, wife material don come back again. Guys, join me, let's cook this ogbonge delicious fried rice. So guys, now the chicken when I wan use be this one. Okay guys, I don already season the chicken overnight, so I need to add onions inside so that I can boil the chicken, as you can see on this video. So I cover it to cook. As you can see, the chicken is cooking very well. It's chicken ring. The chicken is chicken ring, guys. So I can turn around as una dey see am so. So after turning it, I will add water to it to cook. Don't mind the chicken, I cut am big because I want to dry it with charcoal. I don't want to dry it with oil. I want to use charcoal to dry it. So as you can see, the chicken is ready. It's time to bring it down. So guys, now the rice when I want to cook the fried rice be this one. I can add salt inside. After I add salt, I can go bring the hot water. When I boil, I can pour am inside. That's what they see on this video. So it's good to use hot water to wash your rice if you want to use it to cook fried rice. If you can parboil it, you can also do it like that. So I can cover am for some minutes before I wash am. So guys, now the chicken be this one. The chicken I don't bring am come out for the water. And now the pot when I want use take cook my fried rice. So I add water to the pot. So that blender, I use the water to rinse the blender because now the blender when I take blend the pepper when I dey use so. So I can add water inside. After I add water, I can add my food color. This one na for food though, food color. I'll add inside. After I add am, I can put a maggi. This one na 2 no maggi I use because the rice go dey many well. I can add 2 no maggi. So after I add 2 no maggi, I can add my vegetable seasoning inside. Make everything for circulate together. Now wife material they run now. I dey tell you say na me be the best cook on this app. Make una come meet me. So I not add curry. Why I not add curry? This meat stock when I pour inside, I fit add curry inside to cook the meat. So now meat stock be that one. After I put and finish, I can add salt inside. That's now they see. So now this one go take cook the rice. The rice is riceable. Oh my gosh! I test and the thing they yummy. I can add some time. My time don't finish. I can say make I put bay leaves. I can add small groundnut oil inside. After I add and finish, I can cover am. I can turn am before I cover am. So now they see am so. If you test am like this, e just sweet, e just dey yummy. So the water don already boil and I don already wash the rice. I can turn am inside the pot to make it for cook. Abeg, make una no laugh this pot. I know say many of una no go look the wetin I dey show una na the pot na una wan dey look. Make una look wetin I dey show una, wetin I dey cook. No look the pot. I can turn around. See as the rice fine for face. I can cover am make it cook. So I wan slice the chicken breast. Now this one I want to do the small wetin we dey call am, whether na gizzard abi na abi na liver. So I no get that one. I can use chicken to do am. So see the rice now. The rice is rice searing. The rice is rice searing. I have to turn it under so that it will not get burnt. This one na the first turning. I can cover am. So now the chicken be this one. I don cut am o. I don cut the chicken. So after I cut am, turn am for plate as una dey see am. Make una come register for my online cooking. Come and register for my hand. Don't waste time. I go teach you how to cook. So I want fry the chicken. As e dey hot, now wife material dey run am. So now the chicken I want to fry before frying the veggies. Just take a look at this video. This is the process of frying the veggies, guys. Take a look at this rice now. This rice too fine. So I can add butter inside. You can use any butter of your choice. This is the one I'm using here. So I dey like to add my butter inside the rice. You know, many people they like use their butter to fry the vegetable. After cooking the rice, they will be using palm to fry the rice. I don't do mine like that. I do everything together. So you can do it as you like. But if you want to cook it so very delicious, you can use my method. The chicken don ready. I can pack and comot. Now wife material dey run now. I say make una come register for my online class. I still dey talk am. Na me be the best cook on this app. I no dey make math. I will teach you how you can cook. If you don't know how to cook, come and learn. I'm going to teach you. Now for free. So I can add all the vegetables inside after I fry the onions, guys. I turn am together. Now wife material dey run am like this. If not be wife material, who go do am? My people zoom am well. See the veggies now. Come in with carrot. The carrot is carrot, guys. Seafood. Who dey zuzu? Guys, share this video. Don't forget to follow my page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I added the seasoning that I want. I don't use too much seasoning on my food, guys. So I added the one that I want and I turn it together. You know, this is vegetable. Don't need too much seasoning, guys. I know many people, they like to chop seasoning, but I don't like it like that. Guys, share this video. Now see rice. Legodi rice. Legodi rice. See the way you find that coloring well. See the way you find for wow. This is rice, green rice is ready. So I can remove some inside. So I can remove some so that I can add the vegetables inside because the rice was too much for the pot. Oh my God, share this video. Now wife material they run now. Now only wife material fit run like this. Now the vegetable be this one. I can add them. You know, some people they like to mix their own with their palm. They go use the fry pan to fry it. I don't do my like that. I add everything together, mix it together because that one I don't process. My seafood don dey ready now. Oh God, I see they tell una make una come. I go teach una how to cook. Come and taste my food. Come and have a taste of my food, guys. This food is delicious. Do you know that this food don't spend up to a week before it finish? It don't even reach 5 days. This food did not reach 5 days. Everything finished. Oh my gosh. It's something like 3 days. People can eat. People they eat. So in my house we can eat. In the house of wife material, there is so many food. Guys, come and eat. Come and have a taste of my food. My voiceover is not easy. I don't even know what to say again. Guys, share this video. Just take a look at the rice. It's ready. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Love you all.